Monitoring your progress, the key to mastering TOEFL and IELTS. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of test preparation, focusing specifically on how you can effectively monitor your progress and adjust your study plan. Whether you're preparing for the TOEFL, IELTS, or any other exam, this strategy will help you stay on track and achieve your desired scores. Remember, it's not just about studying hard, but studying smart. When preparing for an exam, it's easy to get lost in the plethora of materials, practice tests, and strategies. However, without proper tracking, you might end up studying aimlessly. Monitoring your progress gives you 1. Clear insight. Know where you stand in your preparation journey. 2. Motivation. Watching your growth can be a great motivator. 3. Direction. Identify which areas need more attention and effort. Let's explore some tools and techniques to effectively monitor your progress. 1. Practice tests. Regularly take full-length tests to gauge your overall performance. 2. Error log. Maintain a journal of mistakes. This will help you identify patterns in your errors, so you can focus on those specific areas. 3. Study timetable. Ensure you're sticking to your plan. Adjust if you're falling behind or if some sections are taking longer than expected. 4. Feedback. Occasionally, get feedback from peers, teachers, or online communities. They can offer insights that you might have missed. It's not enough to just monitor your progress. The real value comes when you use these insights to adjust your plan. 1. Review weak areas. Dedicate more time to sections you're consistently struggling with. 2. Change study techniques. If one technique isn't working, don't hesitate to try another. For example, if you're not benefiting from flashcards, maybe switch to mnemonic devices. 3. Set new goals. As you progress, your initial goals might become too easy or too hard. It's crucial to reassess and set new milestones accordingly. 4. Stay updated. Occasionally, test formats or recommended strategies might change. Ensure you're always updated with the latest test-taking recommendations. And that wraps up our discussion on monitoring progress and adjusting your study plan. Remember, the key to success in TOEFL, IELTS, or any test is not just about the hours you put in, but the strategy you employ. Keep tracking, keep adjusting, and you'll surely see the results you desire. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck on your test preparation journey.